Hello students, in this lecture we start a new article in the chapter line and plane. It is a plane. We have completed the article line. Okay, we know how to find the equation of line. Okay, to find the equation of line we know a line passing through point and the direction ratios of the line, that is the parallel vector to the line. Okay, now we find here in the article plane we find the equation of plane in a several type of the planes and the distance of point in a plane, angle between planes, okay, like that. Okay, here first we see the equation of plane. Okay, here plane, okay, plane is a surface. Okay, plane is a surface in which we can join a line segment of any 2 point in a plane, then that line entirely lies in a plane. Okay, line completely lies in a plane. We can join any 2 points in the plane, then the line joining the 2 point is completely lies in the plane. It is a plane, and a perpendicular line to the plane, it is called normal. Okay, perpendicular line, it is a plane and it is a normal. Perpendicular line, it is called normal. Okay, and here we can draw infinite normal here. Okay, all normals are the parallel to each other. Okay, here it is a normal, that is a perpendicular line. Okay, now first see with theorem here, the vector equation of a plane passing through point A with position vector A bar and perpendicular to the vector n bar is r bar dot n bar is equal to a bar dot n bar. N bar is a vector perpendicular to the plane, that is n bar is a normal to the plane, and it is a bar is a plane passing through point. Okay, we know that the equation of line, in the equation of line r bar is equal to a bar plus lambda b bar, that is a bar is a passing through point and b bar is a parallel to the line, and the equation of plane, there is a passing through point and perpendicular vector. In line it is a b bar is a parallel vector, and in a plane n bar is a perpendicular vector. That means to find the equation of line we know passing through point and parallel vector to the line, and here to find the equation of plane we know the passing through point and perpendicular vector. In the line there is a parallel vector, and in the plane there is a perpendicular vector. Okay, and perpendicular vector, it is a normal to the plane. Okay, now to find the equation of plane. Okay, here it is a plane passing through point, plane passing through point E with position vector a bar. Now let it is r with position vector r bar be any point on plane. Okay, see carefully. Okay, here a, it is a given point. Okay, and r is any point on the plane. Okay, then here n bar is a perpendicular to the plane. Okay, here given it is vector n bar is perpendicular to plane, that is n bar is a perpendicular to vector AR. Okay, see carefully, it is AR. Here AR, the line AR or vector AR, okay, lies on a plane, and here n bar is a perpendicular to the plane, that means n bar perpendicular to the vector AR. Okay, it is a plane. Okay, here in a draw a diagram, it is a two-dimensional, this plane like this type. Okay, here we can see this plane like it is. Okay, now and it is a normal to the perpendicular to the plane and a bar on this line. Okay, see carefully here. Imagine this. Now n bar is a perpendicular to r bar. Then we know that if n bar and a are perpendicular, therefore their dot product is 0. ar dot n bar is equal to 0. And then see carefully this. R bar minus a bar dot n bar is equal to 0. R bar dot n bar minus a bar dot n bar is equal to 0, and therefore R bar dot n bar is equal to a bar dot n bar. It is a equation of plane passing through point and perpendicular to the vector n bar, and perpendicular vector it is called a normal to the plane. Okay, here it is a plane, n bar is a perpendicular to the plane, point A on the plane, and R it is also on the plane. That means the vector AR, it is line segment AR lie on this plane, and n bar is a perpendicular to the plane, therefore n bar is also perpendicular to this AR. Therefore the dot product of n bar and AR it is a 0 because both are the perpendicular, and then we get the equation of plane. Now it is a dot product. Here a bar dot n bar is here, let a bar dot n bar, it is a dot product, that means it is a scalar quantity, we consider it is a d. A bar dot n bar is equal to t, therefore equation of plane it is r bar dot n bar is equal to, it is a d, that is a bar dot n bar. R bar is any point, that is xyz. R bar we take in a line, r bar is equal to xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap, like that. Here r bar is any point, r it is x comma y comma z, then position vector r bar it is xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap, be any point on the line. And then a bar and n bar are the given. A bar is a passing through point and n bar is a perpendicular vector, that is a normal. Then their dot product is a one scalar, we consider this scalar as a d. Therefore r bar dot n bar is equal to d. It is a equation of plane. R bar dot n bar is equal to d. Okay, and this equation is called equation of plane in a scalar product form. Okay, here this equation is called scalar product form. Okay, it is a vector equation of line. R bar dot n bar is equal to a bar dot n bar. Okay, here it is equation of line and it is equation of plane. Okay, compare both. To find the equation of line, we know passing through point and parallel vector, and to find the equation of plane we know passing through point and a perpendicular vector. Okay, here see carefully, it is a vector equation of plane. Now it is a vector equation of plane passing through point and perpendicular to the vector. Now we see the Cartesian form of this equation. Same concept used only by the Cartesian method. Now next, the Cartesian equation. Cartesian equation of plane passing through point, it is a, x1, y1 and z1, and having direction ratios of normal to plane are a comma b comma c is equation of plane. See carefully here, a into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1 is equal to 0. It is an equation of plane. Okay, here we use the same concept. Here n bar is a normal in the last vector form, given that it is a vector n bar. Now here given that the direction ratios of the normal, that means n bar it is a ai cap plus bj cap plus ck cap. Here given that the direction ratios of n bar, that is A, B and C. And here given the point A, x1, y1 and z1, and R is any point x comma y comma z. Okay, now we know that it is a normal perpendicular to the line AR. Then direction ratios of the normal, that is A, B and C, and direction ratios of AR are x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1 and z2 minus z1, like that. Here x minus x1, y minus y1 and z minus z1 are the direction ratios of the line AR. And we know that if given that the direction ratios of line n bar or the vector n bar and the line AR, it is A1 B1 C1 and it is A2 B2 C2, then the relation between the direction ratios of the perpendicular lines, it is A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 is equal to 0. Okay, here see carefully, concept same. It is given plane passing through point, plane passing through point, point A, it is x1, y1 and z1. Let it is R x comma y comma z be point on plane, any point on the plane. Now given that direction ratios of normal to plane are A comma B comma C. Okay, here see carefully. Therefore we can write here A1, B1 and C1 are A, B and C, direction ratios of the normal, that is the normal n bar. Okay, here, and direction ratios of AR. Okay, here A2, B2 and C2, that is x minus x1, y minus y1 and z minus z1. And we know that here normal perpendicular to AR, therefore you can write A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 is equal to 0, and therefore A into x minus x1 plus B into y minus y1 plus C into z minus z1 is equal to 0. It is an equation of plane in a Cartesian form, and when we solve this equation here, x minus x1 plus B into y minus y1 plus C into z minus, it is a z1. Okay, when we solve this, the equation of plane in the form ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0. Okay, equation of plane in the form of this. Okay, it is a formula when given that point x1 comma y1 comma z and direction ratios of the line, it is a equation of plane in a Cartesian form. Okay, and when we calculate this, it is a into x plus it is minus, it is a x1, x1 is a point and it is a is a direction ratios, multiplication it is a scalar. Here ax, it is by and it is cz, ax plus by plus cz, and here minus ax1 minus by1 and minus cz1, then calculation it is get d. Okay, that is ax plus by plus cz plus d. Okay, suppose it is equation of plane 2x minus 3y plus 4z plus 1 is equal to 0, then it is a 2 minus 3 and 4 are the direction ratios of the normal. 2 minus 3 and 4 are the direction ratios of the normal. Coefficient of the, when equation of plane in a Cartesian form, it is ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0. Then the coefficient of x, y and z are the direction ratios of the normal to the plane. Okay, now it is a Cartesian form. When the question is asked, find the Cartesian equation of plane passing through point and having the direction ratios, we use this formula and find the Cartesian equation, and then the equation of plane in the form of this: ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0. Okay, and when the question is asked, find the vector equation of plane passing through point a bar and perpendicular to the n bar, it is r bar dot n bar is equal to a bar dot n bar. It is a equation of plane. Okay, see carefully, it is a Cartesian form and previously it is a vector form.